Welcome to the booking form for Agriware's Farm Walk and Talk 2025. Your booking is important to us. Please ensure you follow the steps so your booking is valid to attend this year's Farm Walk and Talk event. When you are booking for Farm Walk and Talk 2025, please ensure you have read and understood the below information. You must select a venue from the drop-down list that will display when you confirm you have read this message. Please only select one venue from the list. Selecting multiple venues will make your booking void. Your confirmation email with payment details attached may take up to 15 minutes to come through to your inbox. Payments made not matching the total sum of students attending will be considered null and void, and all payments are non-refundable. Payments must be made immediately after booking by card or within 2 weeks by EFT. Please reference your invoice number when paying by EFT. Should you require a PO number, please contact accounts@agriaware.ie. Failure to pay within 2 weeks of the invoice being issued will be deemed a forfeit of the booking and will allow the tickets to become available again. To begin, tick the box when you have read the instructions and terms carefully. Start by selecting your date and venue from the drop-down menu. In this example, we will select Thursday, February 20th in Donegal. We will then go to the corresponding date and select the amount of students that are attending, either by typing in the number or using the arrow on the right-hand side. We will then scroll down and enter our name, number, email, school address, roll number, class level, and if there are any special requirements, please specify. Teachers go free. Please specify the amount of teachers attending. After the details are complete, we tick the box beside product name. We now must put the quantity to 15 because we are bringing 15 students. The total should equal to €10 per student, so 10 times 15 is €150. Before submitting, ensure all details are correct and that you have selected one venue only. Click Submit and you will receive an email from JotForm within 15 minutes. When you receive your email, it will be from JotForm. A printable version of the invoice is available in PDF format on the top left-hand corner. You will also see details of your booking. Please double-check to ensure your details are correct. If you are paying by EFT, you must reference the invoice number highlighted. If you wish to pay by card online, click the link here. You must enter the amount owed, so if we booked 15 students, it is €150, so we will enter €150 and our details and press Pay Now.